Hello everyone, my name is Disha Mehta, legal intern at LEXIS and Company and a law student at Gujarat University. So as we were discussing the topic about the assault and the battery, we had already discussed about the assault in the first part of the video. So here we are going to talk about the remaining part, that is battery. So what do you mean by the term battery? So the definition says that although the statutes of defining battery will vary by jurisdiction, a typical definition for battery is the intentional, offensive, or harmful touching of another person without their consent. Under this general definition, a battery offense requires all of the following, which is intentional touching, touching must be harmful or offensive, and the no consent from victim. So what are the intent requirements which are needed for the battery? So it may come as a surprise that a battery generally does not require any intent to harm the victim, although such intent often exists in the battery cases. Instead, a person need only have an intent to contact or cause contact with an individual. Additionally, if someone acts in a criminally reckless or negligent manner that results in such contact, it may constitute an assault. As a result, accidentally bumping into someone, offensive as the victim might consider it to be, would not constitute a battery. So, what are the act requirements for the same? So, the criminal act required for battery boils down to an offensive or harmful contact. This can range anywhere from the obvious battery, where a physical attack such as punch or kick is involved, to even minimal contact in some cases. Generally, a victim doesn't need to be injured or harmed for a battery to have occurred, so long as an offensive contact is involved. In a classic example, spitting on an individual doesn't physically injure them, but it nonetheless can constitute offensive contact sufficient for a battery. Whether a particular contact is considered offensive is usually evaluated from the perspective of the ordinary person. Some jurisdictions have combined assault and battery into a single offense because the two offenses are so closely related and often occur together. This should probably come as no surprise. However, the basic concepts underlying the offense remains the same. So this is the topic of the battery. If you have doubt in any of the topic, whether assault or the battery, please write down in the comment section below and hope you like this topic. Thank you.